Hello, I am Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the Web3 Analytic Kit tool called token total token transfer over time graph. We will see how to create this graph and how to interpret data using this graph. So one of the main purpose of this graph is to identify how your tokens are transferred among your users. Say you have a contract deployed on Ethereum blockchain, and you want to identify how well the tokens are transferred between your users, how many tokens are transferred every day, and which part of the day the token transfers volume is going up, and which part of the day the token volume is coming down. All the informations you can able to identify using this graph. So as I explained in my previous videos, so we have various Web2 tools for you to analyze the users, those who are coming into your website or decentralized application or a mobile application. So you can able to identify which part of the geography they are coming from and how much time they spend on what website, and whether they are coming from a mobile device or a desktop. You can identify all the informations. So once you have that information, you want to identify what tokens they purchased or what tokens they transferred between their wallet and to their friend's wallet or relative wallets. You can able to identify all these informations using this graph. And one of the main reason you want to identify using you want to get from this graph is to popularity of the token. Say you are running a marketing campaign from January 1st to January 10th, and you want to identify during that marketing campaign how well your users are purchasing the token, and if they are transferring token between their wallet to somebody else's wallet. You can identify all the informations using this tool, and this helps you to identify and fix the campaign issue, the marketing campaign that you are running it. Say in the beginning of the marketing campaign, you might get a lot of customers, but only very few customers might be purchasing your tokens. Or during the middle of the campaign, you might see the drastic increase in the popularity of your token. You can identify those informations and fine tune your campaign based on the token usage among your users. And also this helps you to identify various strategies for your token utilization. Say if as a marketing agency, you are running a marketing campaign for a decentralized application for one of your customer. In that case, if you want to give specific access to users, those who hold a particular NFT, then you can able to do so within your application, and then identify among the token holders who are all coming to your website and how much time they spend on the website. So as I said earlier, there are various Web2 tools. You can please check other videos I have posted, identify what exactly they did on your website. And then this tool, this graph will allows you to identify the token transfer, how much token transfer that happened during the marketing campaign. So I'm going to show the tool so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So as I said earlier in my various videos, you can go to dpa.analytickit.com and enter your user ID and password if you already registered. If not, you have to register it to use the SaaS platform. Once you log in, you go to the left hand menu, and then in the left hand menu choose community engagement. So once you choose the community engagement, you can create various campaigns. I've shown in my other videos. You can take a look, and also I will provide it in this link for you to review it. So in this link, you can able to as I shown earlier, you need to enter the contract address and token address, the start date and end date, and then the campaign name. The contact address and token address are mostly same. So if you have two different addresses, you can give, otherwise you can just give your contract address or the token address. If you are having a token contract, then it's going to be same as your contact address. So once you have that information, what we do is within our backend system, within our analytic Kit platform, we go to Ethereum blockchain and get the data and store it for you to view it in the graph. See, these are all various graphs. And then in this particular graph, we are talking about the total token transfers over time. See, in the x-axis, we are showing the date when your marketing campaign started. Say you are starting a marketing campaign on January 1st, then you can able to see the token transfer over time only from the next day. So we are not pulling the data from Ethereum blockchain on a real-time basis. So you have to wait 24 hours for you to see the data. For the first day, you will see only one day, and then the second day, you will see more information and so on and so forth. So in this marketing campaign, we started it on 10/16 last year, and then the marketing campaign ended on 10/24. So that's what you are seeing. So on each day, you can see the total token transfer, how much token transfer happened. On which of these days you get a maximum token transfer that happened, on which days there is a less volume. So you can see all this information using this campaign. And this helps you to fine tune your future marketing campaigns. And you can see what exactly you did on the beginning of the campaign, and then you can see what exactly you did during the 10/20/2023, because you see the maximum total transfer that happened on this particular day. So for example, you might have run a mass email campaign, or you might have post your request in a Discord channel or in social media platforms. You know what your marketing agency, as a marketing agency, did during those days, and then you can also you can able to identify the data points using various Web2 tools I have shown in my other videos. So based on that information, and then seeing this token transfer value from this graph, you can see that what actions you did in your marketing campaign that gave you a maximum token transfer values over a period of time in your marketing campaign, and then repeat the same actions for your future marketing campaigns. All this in actions you can able to do using this tool. So at now, for now, we are just showing the graph. You cannot change the date range or the graph type, but we are working on that feature. Eventually, we will add those features in our toolkit for you to dynamically make changes. And also, as I said earlier, we are retrieving the information only one per night. So you need to wait 24 hours to get the data once you set up the marketing campaign. And we are working on to get the real-time data. Pretty soon, we will add those features in this platform. So I'm going back to the presentation now. So the strategies basically allows you to identify current marketing campaign, which actions are producing maximum result, and you can use the data to plan your future marketing campaigns. See, all these informations, what you are doing, it's not a trial and error. It is based on real data that we are collecting both from your website and also from Ethereum blockchain. And then we combine those data for you to give you a 360-degree picture of your customer view, what is going on your digital products. Digital products here, what I mean is the Web3, Web2 website, or a decentralized application, or a mobile application. And another thing you can use is as a community, what exactly the actions you performed that gave the maximum retention. So we have various W2 tools that you can use to identify the loyalty, the retention, all the data points. And also using this graph, I've shown the total token transfer you can able to see which days the maximum total token transfer happened, and then identify those actions and use it in your future campaigns. So the benchmarking the performance. So if you have a multiple marketing campaigns, then you can identify which marketing campaign is giving you the maximum result. So we have a Web2 tools and the Web3 tools. You can use both the tools to compare and contrast between multiple different marketing campaigns, and then identify which marketing campaign gives you maximum result, and then fine tune it to attract more customers and ultimately grow your community engagement on your digital platform. And also the planning for the future success. So based on the current marketing campaign, you can identify what actions produced a maximum result, and then use those strategies on your future marketing campaigns to attract more customers and ultimately making them buy more tokens from your deployed application, deployed contract on the blockchain, Ethereum blockchain. So another thing is the token utility. Say you are managing a decentralized autonomous organization for one of your customer, and you want to identify who, which users are having a token, and based on the token, they will have a voting right if they have maximum number of tokens, or within the tokens there might be different value, it might be assigned to the token. In that case, you can identify the token utility based on the graph I've shown, and identify which days the users are engaging more on the platform, and also what they are doing on the website or the decentralized application that you are managing using our platform, and identify and understand more about your users utilization, token utilization. And this gives you the predictive analysis. As I said earlier, based on one marketing campaign data from the Web2 and the Web3 tools that we have, you can identify what actions you need to perform for your future marketing campaigns to attract more customers. And also you can identify how well your customer base is growing, and ultimately having more engagement and more loyalty on your tokens, and also ultimately making your user to come back again and again to buy more NFT tokens or whatever you are selling on your digital platform. That's all I want to explain on this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. And also, please help us to subscribe. Uh, Please help us to grow this channel by subscribing to this our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or comments, send us an email or post a comment on the YouTube. We will help you in any way we can. Thank you. Bye.